Hey everyone, Dr. D here, and in this video I've got another Snap-on unboxing for you. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, what do we have this time? The bubbles and the paperwork. All right, this is what I've been waiting for. Look at this. Crow's feet. These are crow's feet little wrenches, and they are metric, and they are for flare nut basically style. So they will wrap around that nut and loosen it up. I'll open those in a second. I also got several more wrenches. These are Flank Drive Plus wrenches, so they do have the teeth. Check it out. So here's a 24mm wrench, Flank Drive Plus, which means actually the 24 is not Flank Drive Plus, it's regular Flank Drive. I couldn't find a Flank Drive Plus this big, so this is the regular Flank Drive. You see there's no serrations on the open end. There's no teeth to bite onto that fastener. So that's 24, but the rest of them should. Let's see. Here's my 21mm wrench, and notice this one does have those serrations on the teeth, so it again designed to bite down on the fastener and make the open end of the wrench useful. Okay, the other end's obviously box, so it's a combination wrench. 22mm Flank Drive Plus, and my 20mm Flank Drive Plus. I think I also have, let's see, 20, 21, 22, 24. Okay, yeah, no, that's all of them. That's all of them that are on their way. All right, let me quickly open up this these crow's feet. Take a look at those. These are kind of neat. I've been waiting for these. I actually don't have any crow's feet at all in my collection of tools, so these are my first and hopefully only ever. These are millimeters. These are metric, like I said. Looks like they go from 10. This one at the top left is a 10mm, and at the bottom right I have my, gosh, it's hard to see. Or actually, bottom left, I have my 19mm. So 19mm through 10mm crow's feet. Let's see what they look like. Let's pop one out. It's got a nice finish to it. Yeah, just your standard crow's feet. There's little indentations here on the corners, I'm guessing to prevent rounding off. You can see those little indentations there at the edges, or actually at the vertices, these corners here. Cool. And one thing I forgot to mention, I opened a package without actually filming it, so I'm going to show you what was in that package. There was another haul that I completely forgot to record, so let me show you what all was in that package there. So I did get a Snap-on Deadblow Ball-Peen hammer. This thing is awesome. When you shake it, you can actually hear whatever's in there, the sand or whatever they put in there. You can hear it shaking around. I don't know if you can hear. Let me shake it close to the mic. You can kind of hear that, whatever that's in there in the head moving around. So that's why it's a dead blow. So when you strike things, there shouldn't be a big vibration that hits your hand. It's pretty nice. I haven't used it yet, but I'm looking forward to doing that. What else did I get earlier that I didn't show the unwrapping or unboxing? Cotter Pin Puller. This guy's pretty good. It's got a soft handle. It's got a beefy little end here, and it's great for pulling cotter pins, and which is great because the MG project I'm working on, that car is full of cotter pins, and I've been trying to remove those cotter pins with pliers, and that's not fun. So this will be really handy. I also got a 20 millimeter 3/8 inch 6-side socket. Remember, because the set I ordered came with 10 through 20. Sorry, 10 through 19. So this is the 20 millimeter. I just wanted to round out that set. I also got some of the smaller 6-side sockets, some of the smaller, and these are for the quarter drive. I got the 5 millimeter and the 4.5 millimeter deeps, which did not come with my kit, to round out that kit. I also got some more smaller flank drive wrenches, because remember I got the wrench set from SnapOn, but that set came with 10 through 19. So now you just saw me open up over here 20, 21, 22, and 24. And here I have the 9 millimeter, the 8 millimeter, again flank drive plus, and the 7 millimeter. So I effectively have 7 through 24, and the only skip is 23 millimeter, which I don't think anyone really needs. Last thing that I had opened up earlier, a brake spring return tool. This is the SnapOn brake spring return tool. So it's pretty interesting. I'm looking forward to using all these things fairly soon. Yeah, thanks for watching.